Just north of Mars' equator, there is a 45-kilometer-wide crater that scientists believe could have been the site of an ancient lake. According to scientists, the frozen soil of this crater could be humanity's most significant discovery. On February 18, 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover began exploring this crater to determine whether we are truly alone in the universe. What are the chances of life on Mars? What might Martians look like? And how will we send samples back to Earth? Astrobiologist Chris McKay at NASA believes that Earth and Mars have been sharing materials for billions of years. Debris from comets or large meteorites that struck Earth could have also made its way to Mars. A small portion of this debris on Mars might have carried the very microbes responsible for kickstarting life on Earth. But what would this alien life look like? Many scientists agree that any life we might find on Mars would need to be unbelievably resilient. With radiation and freezing temperatures, could any form of life survive such harsh conditions on Mars? This remains a key question. Despite the challenges, microbiologists have discovered numerous organisms capable of thriving in extreme environments. The tardigrade, or water bear, is an incredibly resistant extremophile. It can endure heat, cold, pressure, radiation, and even a complete lack of oxygen. Certain types of bacteria on Earth can also survive in extreme conditions. When faced with danger, these bacteria rapidly produce spores. These spores allow them to hibernate for long periods of drought and withstand intense ionizing radiation. A team of 1,000 geologists, chemists, physicists, and biologists from around the world drilled 4.8 kilometers into the Earth and discovered some of the strongest forms of life. Mars's geological history is similar to Earth's, making it an excellent place to start by looking below the surface. Drilling in the Jezero crater could uncover bacteria linked to relatively recent geological eras. In the future, deeper drilling on Mars could help us find fully vegetative microbes. Rock samples that could prove the existence of life on Mars are within our reach. NASA's Perseverance rover uses a system of lasers called the SuperCam. This SuperCam can analyze the surface of Mars from a distance. One of its lasers heats rock samples and vaporizes them. This process creates a plasma, which can be studied to understand the elemental composition of the rocks. Another laser reveals which compounds are present in the soil. If the SuperCam detects organic molecules, nitrogen, or elements like phosphorus, the rover moves closer for a detailed inspection. It scans the soil up close to identify any hidden organic materials. NASA's team on Earth has only one chance to select the perfect location for collecting samples. Due to limited space on board, the rover can collect only a few dozen samples. If everything goes as planned, NASA intends to bring these valuable samples back to Earth to preserve possible biosignatures. Once the samples are collected, NASA and the European Space Agency will prepare 2 missions to return them to Earth. In this process, tubes containing rock and soil samples are launched into space, where they are collected by another spacecraft. This spacecraft then delivers them to Earth. The entire operation is a sight to behold. If the Perseverance rover's mission succeeds, the discovery of life on Mars will be as groundbreaking as the discovery of DNA. Discovering life beyond Earth could be incredibly powerful, but failing to find any life raises even more questions. Is Earth truly special? Are we alone in the universe? If we don't discover life on Mars, the rock samples could still provide chemists with an opportunity to study Mars's geochemistry, mineralogy, and fundamental materials in great detail. This could offer us crucial insights into the history of Mars' climate and help us better understand Earth's own climate. In 1976, the two Viking landers became the first spacecraft from Earth to touch Mars. They also conducted experiments to investigate life in Martian soil, and their results are still being debated today. One experiment suggested a positive result for metabolism in Mars's soil. On Earth, this would almost certainly indicate the presence of life. However, another similar experiment found no evidence of organic material. While most scientists did not fully agree with the negative results, the consensus remains that there is no definitive proof of life on Mars.